At Internorm, we have a range of entrance door options which are derived from our family of windows. A uPVC frame aluminium clad system, this one being a timber frame aluminium clad system. Both offer exceptional performance with U values as low as 0.64 and decibel noise reduction ratings up to 45 dB. So quite exceptional performing products. They are secure by design, tested and PAS 24 rated. So from a security point of view, you're rest assured that these have been tested to all UK requirements. In addition to that, they come with low threshold options, and this will satisfy Part M as your building regulations for ease of access, etc. Available in a range of colours and designs. These ones on example here, this is the uPVC with a triple glazed obscure glass unit in it with a solid infill panel below. And this one, again, with solid infill panels and obscure glass but a different arrangement. So if you'd like to look at some options for us, we'll be happy to take any inquiries you have, and we can design these potentially to suit exactly what your requirements are.